Hello mga mama! Welcome to my pregnancy nesting part 3. Habang papalapit ang araw na makikita ko na si baby, ito na naman ako, organizing, preparing, at super excited. So today's highlight is my first Mustela Scent Essentials from 300 ml cleansing water and 50 ml travel size. They also have 2-in-1 cleansing gel, which is hair and body, 2 diaper cream, and also they have a massage oil at kung ano-ano pang baby. Lahat gentle, safe at perfect for newborn skin. Little by little, this mama is nesting and getting everything ready para kay little one. So konting tiis na lang, malapit na kitang makasama, baby!